In this tutorial, I'll be going over searching for files in the IMS library. There are a few ways to go about this. You can use the general search box, advanced search, smart folders, and refined search when looking for assets. The general search box is located on the top right, and it's also located in the left-hand navigation panel under Search. There are a few things to consider when you run a search. Let's start with the exact match feature. By default, the exact match feature is selected. With this feature selected, search returns will include only those files that contain all of the terms included in your search. For example, when I run a search for New York, with the exact match selected, I get a very specific return of files that have both New and York tagged with the file. However, if I deselect exact match and run the search again, the search return will contain files that have either the word New or York. Exact match can be helpful when searching for people in the IMS library. I'll use Robert Ogle as an example. My search return only includes files that are tagged with both Robert and Ogle. With it deselected, the return will include files that have the name Robert or Ogle. Deselecting exact match can be helpful sometimes. For instance, if I spell Crandon with an E, the IMS library will let me know that no results were found with Crandon spelled with an E. However, there are similar search results for Crandon with an O. To open the advanced search, go to Search in the left-hand navigation menu. Then select Advanced Search. Advanced Search is also available on the Refined Search menu, which appears after any search is performed. You can choose whether each row is an additional required match or optional match using the All or Any tool at the top of the search form. Okay, let's do a simple search with all selected. I'll enter the following conditions. Keyword is activities, field trips, and the location is outdoors. And we get a pretty nice return, but let's narrow it down to images that just have hands in the photos. Click on the magnifying glass in the Refined Search tab to pull up Advanced Search. Now let's enter the condition to pull up hands. Now let's pull up images that are from degree programs. For this search, I'll enter the condition credential degree. Alright, now let's change all to any. Remember, when any is selected, files only need to meet one of the following conditions specified. I'll quickly go over the features available in the Refined Search since we've been using it throughout this tutorial. Click on the magnifying glass to pull up the Advanced Search feature. Guided searches are clickable links that are very specific to metadata that has been applied to files in the IMS library. Text search is a general search that matches all fields. This includes file names, folder names, titles, captions, and so on. So with text search, the IMS is pulling from all areas, giving you a broader search return. Smart folders are the blue folders located in the IMS library homepage. They're called smart folders because they're configured with specific query settings that will automatically filter in files. There are a number of ways a smart folder can be configured. If there's a smart folder that you would like added to the IMS library, please contact your IMS library administrator. Advanced IMS library users have the option to click on the location link of a file, which allows them to see other files within the same root folder. The location of the files on display right now can also be found along the top of the page. When users are in a folder, they have an option to search just within the folder or throughout the entire IMS library by clicking on the Search Within Folder option in the General Search box. Okay, well that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions or you're having a hard time finding a particular file, please contact your IMS Library Administrator at imssupport@the-bac.edu. And don't forget to check out the other tutorials at www.the-bac.edu/IMS-support.